Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. My name is Dami, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Rihanna inspired faux locks. I really love this hairstyle. It's very good for growing out your hair. It's a great protective style and it's very easy to maintain during the summer. I had a lot of fun filming this and a lot of fun wearing this hair. I've had this hair in for a while now and I am loving it. So if you guys would like to see how to make it, keep on watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into workable sections. I start with one big section in the back and two smaller sections in the front. It's very important that you section your hair properly because that just makes your life a lot easier. And then here, as you guys can see, I'm sectioning my back section into smaller sections because I'm gonna start prepping my hair for the locks. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making a straight part down the back. I want my locks to be large, like large. So that's why my section is so big. I'm gonna part a square in the back, clip the excess hair away, and I'm gonna moisturize the hair and then brush it out. I use leave-in conditioner for moisturizing, and then I take these plastic hair tie thingies and then I just wrap the hair up as usual, normal stuff, and then I just go ahead and braid the hair just like a braid, a regular braid. I don't really know how to explain it, and I just complete that step for the entire head of hair. So I moisturize, comb it out, use the plastic thingy to wrap the hair, and then I braid it. And I did that for my entire hair, and then I will be back to show you guys the next step. So I am back. I actually forgot to film the entire process, so thank goodness I remembered. As you guys can see, I'm starting with one square. I'm taking my faux locks. I will link the hair that I'm using down below. Basically, I crochet that into my hair and I just crochet it like I showed you. I don't really know how to explain it, but I will show you guys how to do it. And then I have those two strands of my natural hair and the crochet lock. In this method, I'm using only one lock. However, you can use two locks as well to make it a lot thicker. Then I'm going in with marley hair that's combed out, so it's a lot more like feathered. And then I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna wrap it around the hair as I've shown you. So just a reminder, you don't have to use one lock. You can use two locks and that makes it a lot thicker. I just didn't want it to be too thick and bulky. That's why I only use one lock for the front, but in the back I definitely use two locks and then wrap that around so the back is a lot thicker than the front because that's just the look I wanted. And as you guys can see, I'm just wrapping the hair with the marley hair. Make sure the hair is flat as you're wrapping and there's no like parts sticking out. The last thing you want is just to see the lock in your natural hair sticking out. So just make sure you're cognizant of that. And I just finish it up. And the great thing about this hair is it just finishes itself out, so I don't really need to burn it because the marley hair is like so feathered out at the bottom that it finishes up itself. If you've ever done braids or anything, you know what I mean when I say it finishes up itself and it doesn't need burning or anything like that. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it again. I just stick the crochet hook in, pull the hair through. Again, I'm using one strand of hair. You can use two if you'd like. Pull the hair through, and then I take my marley hair, which I brushed out using a comb, and then I just wrap that around the 2 strands of hair. Make sure the base is secure or your hair will literally slip out, and you do not want that. So yeah, and then just wrap it till you're at the end. And this entire process took me about 6 hours, split between 2 days. The reason I split it between 2 days because I ran out of hair on one. And then as you guys can see, I'm just finishing up my hair, and once it's done, I'm going to decorate it with whatever beads or like string I have. I don't really need to show you guys that process, but basically this is the end result. It is very like neat and very perfect. It's literally what I was looking for. It's long, it's exactly what I wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about it, or let me know if you guys try it. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave them down below and I will get right back to you, and I will see you guys in the next one.